Hi everyone, it's Easter time and I've been getting many requests for making Neapolitan Pastiera. What I have here is barley or grain. This has been soaking since yesterday afternoon. Like 3/4 of a pound of barley in here. And so I put 2 cups of milk for every pie that I'm making with a stick of butter. As I said, this recipe is doubled. While this is cooking low, I'm going to make the sweet pastry. This is the sweet pastry recipe. This is for a double recipe. 1/2 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 4 eggs. This will make 2 crusts for the I'm going to have to add some water. You can use a tap water, but I like to use this water. So I'm going to start with a few tablespoons. That's what it looks like. It's sticky. It's a little sticky, but it's not too wet, not too dry. You're gonna roll it out on a floured board. I'll come back when I'm doing it. Okay, so I'm gonna roll this out. And this is a little sweet dough. It's not like a regular apple pie crust. It's a sweet, there you go. So this is how you try to do it. Go like this. Yeah. And it, as I said, it's soft. So I have all my ingredients here. I have 6. Don't forget, I'm making, this is a double batch. The recipe below will be for a single batch. This is 6 pounds of full cream ricotta, not skim, full. I got 4 cups of sugar, a little bit over a teaspoon of cinnamon, salt, and you could use 1/2 and 1/2 or cream, 3 cups, 12 eggs, 6 eggs for each 3 pounds. Vanilla, very, very, very important. Fiore d'orange. Wheat over there with the milk and butter cooling off. You don't want to put it in really hot. So I cooled it off, and I'm gonna mix this. Okay, so here is the wheat. I tasted it. It's delicious. You can eat it with a spoon yourself. It's like oatmeal, farina, whatever. Okay, so when you put the mix into the pan, you gotta make sure you mix it up because sometimes the wheat settles to the bottom. So I like to mix it up and get as much as I can on the bottom. And try to evenly distribute it. Okay, so the oven is heated to 350. I'm gonna put these in. On top, I don't do it right away. I try doing it at the beginning, they sink. So I wait about an hour and then I put the strips on. I put the pastry on top of the pie. It's hard. It moves as jelly. It's like jelly. I gotta grease my wheels here. Okay, so put one that way.
Lay that down.
And one the other way. And just put it back in. Okay, it's been 2 hours. And look at my beautiful pastiera. Wow. You see, it's a little jiggly, but that's okay because once it chills, it sets. And I want to wish everyone a happy Easter with family and friends and all your loved ones. Buona Pasqua.